Tinanghal na unang champion ng UAAP Esports para sa NBA 2K ang pambato ng Ateneo na si Paulo Medina. Kilalanin natin siya sa pagbabalita ni Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho.
Sino ba naman ang mag-aakala na mula sa pagiging casual player, maisa sa katuparan ng manlalarong ito ang pangarap niyang maging kauna-unahang UAAP NBA 2K champion. Kinatuwaan ng netizens ang TikTok post ng 21-year-old Ateneo student na si Paulo Medina matapos magbahagi ng throwback photo. Makikita sa larawan ang NBA 2K video game habang naka-L na hand sign ang esports player. Bago kasi magawaran bilang kauna-unahang UAAP NBA 2K champion, casual gamer lang si Paulo na madalas pang matalo sa kanyang tatay at mga kuya.
Bata pa lang ako, I remember na we were always competing. I used to always go against my brothers.
Yes.
Like growing up, we would always play, my dad and I. And then this used to be a thing when we were playing na whoever would lose, like we'd play and whoever would lose, you'd have to like take a photo like with an L sign. That's why I was doing the L sign because I lost to my dad.
Dahil dito, lumaking competitive si Paulo. Kaya naman finally, nang magbukas ang pinto to play competitively, hindi niya ito pinalagpas.
This is something I've always wanted to do. So when I found out it was NBA 2K, I was pretty excited and I knew I wanted to be a part of it right away.
Malaking parte ng panalo ni Paulo ang 6 na buwang training kasama ang bagong coach at teammates. Pero
I think there's one thing we didn't prepare for though was the nerves. Like I don't think we could have prepared for that at all.
Yeah.
Usually it's just me in my room and all of a sudden there's a room of hundreds.
Ito pa lang ang simula para kay Paulo dahil ang goal, to go even bigger.
And I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Like this was the first time I've ever competed in anything like this. So yes, I'm happy that that goal of mine has been ticked off to play 2K competitively, and hopefully we can go even further after this.
Kaya't kung katulad mo si Paulo na dati lang nangangarap sa kwarto niya,
I think my advice would be just follow your dreams. Like if you really want to compete, if you really want to play at a higher level, there are many tournaments for you to join.
pag may gusto, palaging may paraan. So never let your doubts get in the way of your dreams. Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho po. Hatid ang mukha ng balita.